Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create a thumbnail in Capcut PC, very easy and quick. First you need the background, I choose this white one and drag and drop into the timeline. Now we need to change the ratio to 16:9 for the thumbnail, and starting with the text, go for the text and choose the default text, drag and drop into the timeline. And now you can write down whatever you like for your thumbnail. I write down thumbnail. You cannot see it because it's white. Change to black, for example. And choose a nice font. Now you can also change the preset style. Let's say this one or this, whatever you like. And you can drag and drop this text here. If you want to change the size, you can go for the slider here. Go up and down. And change the position. The great thing about Capcut PC is that you have stickers you can choose from. For example, here some trendy ones or emojis. I choose this emoji, for example, drag and drop into the timeline. And now I can also change the position. Scale it a little bit down. Put it somewhere, and yes. Let's find another one. Let's say this one. Also scale it down a little bit. And now it's already looking a little bit like a thumbnail, right? You can choose whatever you like and change the text and adding some errors or whatever you like. Yeah, you can also add some of your own pictures or yes, some of your screenshots from the video or anything you want. Yeah, if you want to change the background again, you can just press here and drag and drop this away. Now it's black. If you go now on the video tab, go to basics and down to canvas, you can change here to blur or another color. For example, yellow or orange. So guys, after finishing your thumbnail in Capcut PC, you want to export this. Go to the 3 lines here, export still frames. Call it, for example, thumbnail. And save it wherever you want, for example, the desktop here. PNG, export. Minimize CapCut, and here you have it. Your first thumbnail with Capcut PC. Thank you for watching and see you next time.